Hey everybody, in this video I'm gonna be showing you guys how to book American Airlines with AmEx points. So before we get started, I just want you guys to like this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more amazing helpful content like this. With that all being said, let's get started with today's video. Alright guys, so I am on this American Express website. So you just have to log into amextravel.com to access membership rewards points and begin by searching for a trip as usual. And then you have to select your trip and everything, and then at the checkout select use only points. Select either use only points or use points plus card, and then apply points to your booking. Once booked, your card will be charged the full dollar amount. A corresponding credit for the value of points will be used and applied to your account in a separate transaction within 48 hours. So yeah guys, this is a visual representation of what you're gonna have to do. Is just use points plus card, or you can just use your points only, and you just have to use points at checkout, and this is how you do it. If you found this video to be helpful guys, then thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video very soon. Peace.